Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a bill in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to locate a bill, remove it safely, and understand what changes in your books once it's gone. Deleting a bill is straightforward, but it's important to be sure you're targeting the right transaction, because this action permanently removes the bill and its impact on accounts payable. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in. From the left-hand navigation, move your cursor over Expenses to reveal its options, then select Bills. This brings you to the Bills workspace, where you'll see your vendor bills listed with key details like vendor name, bill date, due date, amount, and status. Take a quick second to verify you're in the correct company and that you're viewing the list you expect. Next, find the bill you want to remove. Carefully confirm the vendor, the sent due date, and amount, so you're working with the exact transaction intended. Accuracy here prevents unwanted changes to your payables or reports. When you've identified the correct bill, go to the far right side of that row and open the drop-down or Actions menu for that item. Choose Delete from the menu. QuickBooks will prompt you with a confirmation message to help prevent accidental deletions. Review the details one last time. If everything looks right and you're ready to proceed, click. Delete again to confirm. The bill will be removed immediately. You'll notice it disappear from the list, and your accounts payable balance, vendor balance, and related reports like the AP aging summary will update to reflect the change. If the bill is linked to another transaction, such as a payment or credit, QuickBooks may not allow you to delete it until those links are addressed. In those cases, review the bill's details to understand what's connected before attempting deletion again. A few best practices can help. Consider noting the vendor, date, and amount before you delete, so you can quickly recreate the bill if needed. If your accounting policy emphasizes keeping a visible trail on the transaction itself, you might prefer to void rather than delete. Either way, QuickBooks maintains an audit log entry that records the deletion or void, along with who made the change and when, which helps with tracking and reviews later. And that's the full process. Open QuickBooks Online, go to Expenses, select Bills, locate the bill, open the drop-down on the right, choose Delete, and confirm. Following these steps keeps your payables list clean and your financial data accurate. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this guide anytime you need a refresher.